Stop charging your iPhone in public before you change this setting. Most iPhone users have no idea that a public charger or accessory could potentially access data from their device if this setting is configured the wrong way. So before this happens to you, change this setting right now. So guys, if you're running iOS 26, open the Settings app, then go to Privacy and Security. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Wired Accessories. Here, you might see different options depending on your iPhone. Some iPhones only show automatically allow when unlocked and always allow. If you see these two, do not select always allow. Keep it on automatically allow when unlocked. But on some other iPhones, you may see always ask for new accessories, automatically allow when unlocked, and always allow. If you have these extra options, the best and safest one is always ask. So what does this setting actually do? This controls whether USB accessories and wired devices are allowed to connect to your iPhone while it's locked. That means if you plug your iPhone into a public charging station, unknown computer or suspicious accessory, your iPhone can block unauthorized data access unless you unlock the device first. Keeping it on always allow can make your iPhone less secure because accessories could connect immediately even while the iPhone is locked. That's why security experts recommend using always ask if available or automatically allow when unlocked as the safer option. It only takes a few seconds to change, but it can help protect your personal data, photos, messages, and accounts from unwanted access. And honestly, every iPhone user should check this setting right now. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with other iPhone users, and subscribe for more iPhone tips, privacy settings, and hidden features you should know about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.